What's up, everyone? Today on Dude's Tech, we're checking out the top 3 best mini cordless chainsaws. Compact, powerful, and perfect for handling yard work with ease. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 3 is the Neotec Mini Cordless Chainsaw. The Neotec Mini Cordless Chainsaw brings together power, versatility, and convenience in a compact, user-friendly design. At the heart of this tool is a 1,000-watt brushless motor that delivers exceptional cutting performance, achieving a maximum chain speed of 15 meters per second and a no-load speed of 26,000 RPM. With this level of power, it can slice through a 6-inch branch in as little as 4 to 7 seconds, making it a reliable choice for a variety of outdoor and woodworking tasks. Designed with compatibility in mind, the Neotec Mini Chainsaw works seamlessly with DeWalt 20V Max batteries, including models DCB200 through DCB P520. This allows users to enjoy cordless freedom without purchasing additional batteries, simplifying setup and reducing costs. Its cordless nature also provides unrestricted movement, ideal for gardening, yard work, and camping. Efficiency and maintenance are prioritized with the chainsaw's automatic oiling system, which keeps the chain lubricated for smoother operation and extended chain life. The tool-free chain tensioner ensures quick, effortless adjustments, letting users maintain optimal performance with minimal downtime. Versatility is enhanced through dual guide bars of 6-inch and 8-inch lengths. The 6-inch bar is perfect for precise pruning and small branch cutting, while the 8-inch bar handles larger logs and thicker tree limbs. Switching between bars is quick and easy, making the saw adaptable to a range of tasks and environments. Safety and comfort are integral to its design. The chainsaw features a dual safety lock to prevent accidental starts and an ergonomic anti-slip grip, allowing for comfortable one-handed operation without strain or fatigue. Compact, powerful, and thoughtfully engineered, the Neotec Mini Cordless Chainsaw combines professional-grade performance with the convenience and portability that modern users demand. This makes it an essential tool for anyone looking to manage yard work efficiently while maintaining safety and ease of use. Coming in at number 2, we have the Tietoc Mini Cordless Chainsaw. The Tietoc Mini Cordless Chainsaw is designed to bring powerful, convenient cutting capabilities to every gardener and homeowner. Featuring an 880-watt high-power motor, a manganese steel chain, and an auto oiler system, this compact chainsaw handles branches up to 6 inches with ease. Its efficiency extends to thicker pieces of wood that often challenge larger chainsaws, making it ideal for tree trimming, gardening, and camping projects. With a cordless design, it eliminates the hassle of dragging cords and allows users to manage tasks independently, saving on professional trimming costs. Weighing in as a slim and lightweight tool, the Tietoc Mini Cordless Chainsaw is approachable for a wide range of users, including women, the elderly, and those with arthritis. Its ergonomics reduce hand and arm fatigue, ensuring longer periods of work without discomfort. The auto oiler system simplifies maintenance by lubricating the chain with the push of a button, extending the life of the chain and ensuring smoother, more efficient cutting. One oil fill can last an entire day of work, removing the need to carry heavy oil bottles around. The chainsaw comes with a 2,000 mAh removable and rechargeable battery that provides reliable performance for wood cutting, shrub pruning, and garden maintenance. The device includes overload and temperature protection, which prolongs battery life. Safety is a key feature, with a security lock to prevent accidental starts, safety baffles to reduce wood splashes, and an anti-slip handle for secure grip. Constructed with flame retardant and environmentally friendly materials, the Tietoc Mini Cordless Chainsaw meets professional certification standards and is backed by a 365-day warranty. Users can confidently rely on its design, safety features, and performance for various outdoor and gardening tasks, making it a versatile and dependable tool for any home or professional setting. And finally, at number 1, we have the Soccer Mini Cordless Chainsaw. The Soccer Mini Cordless Chainsaw is a compact and versatile tool designed for efficiency and ease of use. Equipped with a high-quality guide chain that has undergone deep quenching, it ensures smooth and precise cutting. Its pure copper motor delivers impressive power, enhancing cutting efficiency and allowing tasks to be completed faster. The upgraded motor, chain, and bar provide increased torque, longer runtime, and a longer overall lifespan for the chainsaw, while the chain and guide bar can be easily replaced following the provided instructions. Weighing only 1.1 kilograms with a total length of just 4 inches, the Soccer Mini Chainsaw is lightweight and highly portable. Its one-handed operation makes it accessible to users of all ages, including the elderly, and reduces fatigue during extended use. The chainsaw is powered by a 20-volt, 1500 milliamp rechargeable lithium battery, allowing for convenient and long-lasting operation. The battery can be charged at any time, and proper charging before first use or during long-term storage ensures optimal performance. Safety is a key feature of this tool. A safety lock prevents accidental startup, and the chainsaw operates only when the trigger is pressed. Additionally, the protective cover shields against wood chips, and the handguard ensures secure handling. Designed with portability and convenience in mind, the Soccer Mini Chainsaw can be assembled in just 1 minute. The package includes the chainsaw, battery, charger, a small bottle of lubricating oil, a screwdriver, and a wrench, making it practical for home use, temporary work, or outdoor projects. Its compact design and user-friendly features make it a reliable and efficient solution for cutting small branches and performing light woodworking tasks. This mini cordless chainsaw brings together power, portability, and safety in a tool that is easy to handle, maintain, and store, offering a practical choice for family use or quick outdoor jobs. That's some serious cutting power in compact form. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more tech insights.